Hey Matt, is that you? Yeah? Okay, how's it going? Good, good, good. Okay. The only thing I forgot to bring here is my noodle. Oh, wait, there's one. Oh, I got so much to do to get ready for this listing.
A few moments later.
So busy. Maybe I'll just sit here. Hey everybody, it's Tim Rangel again, your Sotheby's International Real Estate Agent. Thank you for joining me here at 2000 Hotsprings Road in beautiful northern Sonoma County. Very special property to show you today. Over 10,000 square feet, 300 acres, helicopter pad, hobby vineyards, wine cellar, beautiful pool structure behind me. You're gonna love this. Check this out. You gotta see this.